Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our World We Next YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: computer keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can significantly enhance your productivity and make your computing experience more efficient. So, let's dive right into it. Our first keyboard shortcut is Ctrl C. This combination allows you to copy selected text or files. Whether you're working on a document, spreadsheet, or browsing the web, Ctrl C is a handy command for duplicating content. Next up, we have Ctrl X. This shortcut is the cut command. It removes the selected text or files and stores them on the clipboard, ready for pasting elsewhere. To paste the content you've copied or cut, simply use Ctrl V. It works across various applications and is incredibly useful when you want to transfer information quickly. Now, let's talk about undoing your actions. If you make a mistake, Ctrl Z is your lifesaver. It allows you to undo the last action you performed, whether it's deleting text, moving files, or formatting errors. But what if you want to redo an action? No worries. Just hit Ctrl Y, and you can bring back that deleted or undone content. It's perfect for those moments when you change your mind or want to revert to a previous state. Now, let's move on to Ctrl A. This shortcut is your go-to when you want to select all items or text within a document, web page, or file explorer. It's a quick way to highlight everything in one go. Saving your work is crucial, and Ctrl S is the command for that. Whether you're working on a document, editing an image, or modifying code, pressing Ctrl S will instantly save your progress. When it's time to print your document, you can use Ctrl P to quickly bring up the print dialog box. It saves you from searching through menu options and gets your printer running with just a few keystrokes. Need to find something within a document or web page? Ctrl F is here to help. This shortcut opens up the Find function, allowing you to search for specific words or phrases in an instant. To open a new window or document, press Ctrl N. It's a time-saving shortcut that eliminates the need to navigate through menus or click multiple times to start fresh. Closing a window or tab is a breeze with Ctrl W instead of hunting for that tiny X button. This shortcut instantly closes the active window, giving you a clutter-free workspace. Switching between open tabs or documents is made easy with Ctrl Tab. It lets you toggle through. Video ends. Thanks for watching. Subscribers now.